We have here the Knight of Swords energy. This is continuous actions or uh, there are actions or bold movements right here being done. You might be dealing here with someone who is embodying this energy, but I do sense that this could possibly be your energy. You could be consistently doing here something. Okay? You could be continuously doing something here because you want to achieve something. That's why you are continuously creating this bold movement. So let's find out more. Whoever is involved into this type of situation here with you guys, I do see a higher level of commitment. So maybe this is someone here that is already connected to you, your boyfriend, your girlfriend, or your husband, or your wife. Maybe you are doing here some kind of continuous bold moves in order to achieve something about a specific situation. And we have here the Three of Wands energy. I do pick up that this is something here that's not easy, but still, I'm not seeing you giving up. So whatever it is that you're doing, you're continuously striving to do that. So let's see what's really going on here. Okay, let's go ahead and check this out. Could be seeing right here a lot of number 10s. I'm seeing Roman numeral number 10s right here. Or this person here that you're dealing with could be seeing a lot of number 10s or could be having here endings. But I do pick up transformations. Yeah. Yeah, transformations with the death card right at the center of this reading. So let's keep moving. Let's lay all the energies first on the table before we start talking more about this situation here with you guys. Oh, this person's feeling so grateful right now, and I do see that this is something here that's happening right at this very moment. Okay, so just take how this resonates. So, let me just greet everybody. Hi and hello there, everyone. Hi, new subscribers. By the way, my name is Yan. I'm from the Philippines. And to the returning subscribers, thank you so much for the warm love and support you're giving me. So, we do not have any gender right here. And of course, this is timeless as well. So, just take only what resonates here with you guys. Please apply this into your own unique situation, okay? So, I do see that we have here this Ten of Swords energy and the Wheel of Fortune. So there's this Four of Swords right in there, okay? And Four of Cups in reverse and Five of Cups. Four and Five of Cups in reverse right here. This is someone here who is telling me that you change his or her life big time. So this person's life right here, before, it's like he or she is describing me as it is something here that's so messy. Yeah. So this person here could be, before I do pick up that his or her life is considered something here that is already ruined. So maybe this person here is someone who already gave up his or her life before. It's like this person here is someone who could possibly be thinking that his or her life is already ruined, his or her life is already messy right here before you came into his or her life. So I do see that with this Four of Swords energy, you change his or her life big time. So I do pick up that you are the main reason why this person is now living his or her life in a very beautiful way. So it looks like before you came into this person's life, excuse me, this person here could be, having here difficult situations wherein he or she already find himself or herself giving up. Maybe there are problems, issues, concerns right here that he or she cannot be able to surpass. So with the Four of Cups energy in reverse, maybe this person here also experience those type of energies of being rejected, maybe when it comes to his or her career, job, maybe when it comes to his or her personal dealings, or maybe related here to love life as well. So it could be any areas of his or her life. Maybe this person here feels like that um everything right here falls apart for him or her, or there are things right here that do not go in his or her favor right here. So I do pick up that because this is already in reverse, you've already helped this person here a lot. So after you came into his or her life, this person here really notices and realizing more right now that you are the main reason why he or she is pulling himself or herself up. So yeah, I do pick up that maybe before, okay, I do see that this person here could be, having here a lot of addictions, might be drinking liquors, often, or I do see that this person here is someone who could be having here a lot of situations wherein he or she felt that he or she cannot do something about a situation. Like, let's say when this person here is having a problem, instead of facing that problem, he or she tends to distract himself or herself by drinking liquors, by doing something here like any addictions or any behaviors right here. It's like escaping that problem and focusing more likely in his or her addictions. That's what I'm picking up. So this person here is actually having this type of bad experiences in his or her past. So it looks like this person's life before is being clouded by darkness, and now that you came into his or her life, or after meeting you, I do see that this person here realizes that you are someone here who did brought light into his or her life. So yeah, because the Four of Cups energy and there's this Five of Cups in reverses position, it makes me feel like that this person here is no longer in this type of situation that he or she feels rejected, that he or she feels sad about dealing with his or her problems alone, because now that you came into his or her life, everything changes. Wheel of Fortune right here. So this person here, you brought him or her back to life. And with this Four of Coins energy right here in reverse, I do see that you are the one who releases this person here. You set this person free from that darkness that we're talking about. So this person's messy life or ruined life before did change big time after meeting you, because this death right at the center or heart of this reading is considered as new beginning. So this person here is already having this new beginning in his or her life after meeting you, or creating this beautiful new beginning here together with you guys, with the Queen of Wands energy, or appearing here as someone really did great advices for this person here. This person did applied all of those advices, and I'm very proud of you, sweetheart, because this is someone here who is stubborn in the past, someone who didn't listen with other people, or with those loved ones or friends around him or her. Okay, but you did not give up with this person. You make sure that this person here will definitely change his life for the better. So whatever it is that you advice or you give to this person, this is something here that you work hard for and your effort was being rewarded because this person is now creating this new beginning in his or her life. Three of coins energy, temperance, and there's this two of wands. Beautiful. I do pick up that you build, okay, that you help create or build a strong foundation in this new beginning that this person here is creating, and how this person here is in a very good place right now. You really did set this person free. Yeah, it really did take time here, but you are winning. You both are winning in creating a big change into this person's life. You did heal this person's traumas, all of the things that this person had undergone before. I do pick up that those things vanishes slowly. And I do pick up that this is something here that this person is grateful for, thankful for, because I do pick up that you are someone here who did help him or her to get back to life. This person starts to live. This person is now living his or her life in a very beautiful way. This person starts to look for a job that suits him or her or fits him or her well. The job that really is interesting and the job that he or she really wants to do or he or she really loves. This person right now is smiling and laughing because of you. This person right now really turned his or her back from his or her addictions, drinking hard liquors, or escaping problems. Like he or she is no longer doing that. Okay, where when there are problems that popped out of the blue for this person is now courageous and brave enough to face all of those problems. And I do pick up that this person here is someone who is really standing in his or her feet because of you, because he or she knows that you are always there for him or her. So definitely you really did change this person's life. Yeah. This person is now realizing that you are someone here who is worth keeping. That the universe with the temperance energy right here, Queen of Wands, and there's this Two of Wands. The universe, you're realizing that the universe gave you to this person to help him or her change his or her pathway. And now this person is right back on his or her track. And you are the one, you are the medium, okay, sent by the universe or sent from up above to help this person here to create this new beginning here in his or her life. I don't see that this person here is not just the one learning from this situation, but also you. You are also learning from this person here and you're learning a lot. And I do pick up that this is something here that you are not considering as a burden, but you are considering this as somewhat one of the successful uh, good deeds that you did in your life. So I do pick up that for others of you, because of your love for this person or because of love, I do pick up that you really did change this person's life. You healed this person from experiencing those negative and bad experiences he or she had before. I do see that this person is a lot happier right now. And I do pick up that this person here will continue to give to you, will continue to invest in giving you right here everything that he or she can or everything that he or she can offer to you, because that's how he or she is thankful and grateful because you did help him or her a lot. I do see that this person here in the near future will continue to give anything or offer anything to you, okay, because he or she is so grateful of what you have done in his or her life. So yeah, you are someone here that I think that main character enter into this person's life, and this person here will not let go of someone like you. So this person here will decide in the future to keep you. Like it's a long-term commitment. It's a long-lasting commitment right here. So I do not see this person here going back into his or her old ways, because you've changed this person here big time. You are someone here who really did change his or her life 360 degrees turn. I do see that this person here is somewhat a new version of his or herself right now. So I do pick up that this person here is always striving for the best. And I do see that this is someone here who really did change a lot. And I do not see this person here going back into his or her old ways, because he or she do not or no longer want to be that same old person he or she was before. So yeah, this person here is really that person who is considered his or her life already ruined. But after you came, it's like it's magic. You magically change his or her entire world. It's like this person here is having a very chaotic past, traumatic past, anything that you can really describe, okay, in his or her past, okay, it's very dark, but I do pick up that you came and you really light up this person's world. And now I'm seeing this person here smiling so genuinely, laughing so genuinely right here, and this person's life is wow, it's like this person here is now thinking a lot of positive things to come into his or her life. This person here is now looking forward for all the good stuff in his or her life. This person here is no longer the same person he or she was before because of you. Yeah, wow. So I do pick up that your hard work is being paid off right here, because this person is now listening not just to you but his or her angels and spirit guides right here. This person right here might turn his back from God before because of the dark events that he or she had gone through in the past, but now this person here starts praying. This person here starts to believe in dreams. This person here starts to create here beautiful things in his or her life, and I do pick up that you are the big reason why this person here is doing all of these things. Wow, I love it. This is the type of love story that is a very inspiring love story. And if someone here can definitely hear this, this energies will definitely be inspired. Yeah. So I do see that this is something here long lasting. This is something here that's long term for you guys. So yeah, clean this beautiful message right here, sweetheart, because you really did change someone's life. You really did rescued. You really did save someone from having his or her life ruined. Yeah. So, these are all the messages we've got right here for you, sweetheart. Thank you so much. Love and light.